It's Frankie Widdows here, and I wanted to show you inside my online Russian volume course. So first of all, you get access to a manual, download this and work through this. It's about 3 hours of content before we're going to move on to the practical, where we'll go through all of the products, learning how to hold our tweezers and work with them, before we then move on to the 7 different pickup techniques, so that there is something there to suit everybody. And you're going to be working on true precision, so none of this a basic fan, it looks okay. I will be pushing you for Frankie approved fans so that your volume work is absolute perfection. And then from there we're going to be moving on to glue dipping. I'll show you how to rectify bases which are open or crossed, and then we'll go on to a mannequin head to really finesse that volume work before then taking it onto a real client and seeing what you can create with your brand new perfection fans. So yeah, we're going to be creating some really beautiful sets of lashes. So yeah, come and join me. Enroll now on my online Russian volume course, and don't forget to check out my other online courses.